How to send gift messages on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. On the home screen, look for the messenger icon in the top right corner and tap on it. This will take you to your Instagram messages. Now, select the chat where you want to send the gift message. You can choose an existing conversation or start a new one by tapping on the Compose button and searching for the person's name. Once inside the chat, tap on the message box at the bottom and type your message. You can write anything you want, such as a greeting, a surprise note, or even a special announcement. After typing your message, look at the right side of the text box. You will see a search icon. Tap on this icon to open the message effects. Instagram will display different effects that you can apply to your message. One of these effects is the gift wrap effect. This effect will wrap your message inside an animated gift box. Tap on the gift effect to apply it. Once you do that, your message will appear as a present when you send it. The recipient will see a wrapped gift instead of the actual text. When they tap on it, the gift will open, revealing your message inside. That's how to send gift messages on Instagram.